Should the pothole be completely dry before applying Quikrete repair material? Yes. Moisture directly affects adhesion and cure times, so surface readiness matters. For Quikrete, patch products start by removing loose debris with a stiff broom and flush with water to dislodge fine particles. Then let the area dry until it is just surface damp or fully dry, depending on the product directions. For pre-mixed cold patch styles, some manufacturers allow application to slightly damp surfaces, but performance is best on dry, clean, concrete, or asphalt. Always read the label for specific moisture limits. When using a cementitious patch like hydraulic cement or a rapid set mix, only the amount you can place in the working time and aim for a stiff but workable pace that will compact into the void. Press firmly with a trowel to eliminate air pockets. Feather the edges so the patch transitions smoothly to the surrounding pavement by undercutting the pothole edges slightly, then packing the material from the bottom up. Keep traffic off the repair for the manufacturer recommended cure period, which may be several hours to a full day depending on temperature and product choice. For cold weather use, accelerate set times by using warm, dry aggregate and storing materials indoors before placement. Avoid using frozen substrate or frozen patch material. Common mistakes include applying material over loose debris or standing water, which prevents proper bonding and leads to early failure. So always clean and dry the hole first and remove fines with a wire brush. Another frequent issue is overwatering the mix, which reduces strength and increases shrinkage. Follow the mix water limits on the bag and aim for a firm consistency that holds shape when compacted. Third, failing to compact the patch properly causes voids and rapid deterioration. So use firm tamping with a hand tamper or the back of a shovel and finish by sealing the edges to reduce water infiltration. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and a wide range of project information that includes surface preparation tips and product guidance to help you plan repairs. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share real-world experience and advice. And we help contractors find local work opportunities through our listings and community engagement.